My friends, welcome to exercise 82 of my 200 3D CAD problems in FreeCAD series. Exercise 82 is a very simple work, but it will take a minute to actually do all these holes but nonetheless it's only sketching, nothing more, nothing less. So let's go ahead and then start working on part design, create a body, and before I create a sketch, I want to go ahead and then do some image processing on it. So let's make that 50% transparent and take a length which is the longest one. So looks like 30.5 makes sense. So this is 30.5, right? And I want to keep that on XY plane. On this object there is no complication related to the planes. So all right, now I want to take this image to, I'm gonna say, one of its centers. So this looks like a good center to me. Okay, I guess that's the best we could do. Now that I'm looking at it, looks like it's halfway symmetric. So we can draw only the half and then make a mirror out of it. Alright, so this length between these two, like these gaps are not consistent. This is 5, this is 7.3, and this is definitely not 7.3. It's probably 7.4. So we'll have to do it like one by one. Alright, let's go ahead and start sketching on XY plane. That's where the image is, and I want to draw only the upper side. So drawing only the upper side is strictly, I want to do this half circle and then take a polyline, bring it up here. Oops, it didn't work. So let's take it from here, right? And okay, so I'll have to be careful with the polyline. Why? Because it has its own suggestions from one point to another, and you can change the suggestion by pressing M every now and then. Like here, now I got this line, but I'll have to come back and then make that tangential anyway. Right. I don't think it touched, so we'll have to come back to that one too. Okay. So this one is horizontal already, so we don't have to make it touching here. It will be touching anyway. I want to make this one vertical and these two are tangential. I just have to make this one tangential. Right. That's the boundary. My bad. Delete this one. And let's go ahead and bring another polyline. Do it right. Okay, so hit M, M, and M. So hitting M on the keyboard changes the mode of the polyline. M, M, M. All right, we'll take that. And now make it complete. Okay, so this will be vertical. I don't see any vertical lining, so let's make that. And these two are already tangential. I guess this will be tangential. And what else? This tangential. Okay, and now these holes, as I said, these holes are spacings are not uniform, so let's go ahead make them one by one. I wish they were uniform in spacing, so we could do an array from drafting, or like lattice 2 workbench, but looks like we'll have to do it manually. Okay, so there should be one center. Okay, these two centers will be the same, and I'm gonna go ahead and take all the circles and make them 0.8 diameter. So took all of those and making it 0.4 radius. Okay, and this one will be 2.3 diameter. So let's go ahead and take the diameter tool, 2.3. Okay. Now this distance between this center and the axis is given as 1.4. Cool. And the total length, okay, let's go ahead and make sure we got that one right. The total length is 35.9. So 35.9. I'm going to place it right here, so make sure we are not skipping any of those. Now the distance between this center, right, and this farthest center is, okay, forgot the distance. So this center and this farthest center is 34.4. 34.4. Let's bring it down right where it is. All right, and the next one is 27.1. So this is 27.1. All right, so we applied all the distances. We still have 11 degrees of freedom, so that's quite a lot. Let's go ahead and make all the centers. On the same horizontal plane, and then let's go ahead and make these corners radius 0.07. Okay, so now we have 6 degrees of freedom, and one of them would be height. So this center from the half line, it should be 6.5 divided by 2. So 6.5 divided by 2. Okay, now 5 degrees of freedom. Okay, this point is 4.5 over 2 distance away. All right, that's one thing. So this point and this point is 30.5. Okay, this is still not working. How about I make these two equal? Does that work? All right, so that is our half the sketch, right? And it will be 1 millimeter thick. So let's go ahead. I'm going to say sketch half. I'm going to make a pad of 1 millimeter, and then I'm going to make a mirror. So this is half pad. I'm going to make a mirror, and there is that mirrored. Okay, so this is the pad that I want to make a mirror, and I want to take the horizontal axis. All right, that looks right, and say okay. Okay, so that's mirrored. And is there any chamfer, any beautification? I don't think so. So let's go ahead and make it refine. True. And I'm gonna say that is our final object. Okay, one more thing. These corners are not 0.7, it was 0.5. So let's go ahead and then update that. I said this is 0.7, actually it will be 0.5. Okay. Not that it was a big thing, but we made it correct. Anyway, as I said, there is not much in the 3D realm of this object. It's just a pad. The main thing was the sketching. I hope you liked it. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.